What is this sorcery? Find out on today's vocal tip. Hey, welcome. I wanted to talk today about this product, myvocalmist.com. It's a vocal mist item that you use to hydrate your vocal cords. It's great for singers, it's great for public speakers, it's great for anybody with allergies, or in the wintertime when you're pumping the furnace all the time and that dry air is really drying things out for you, or you're just a busy singer and you're using your voice a lot. It comes with a handy carry case, very stylish looking, zippered kind of pouch deal that when you open it up, it's got the charge cable, the sodium chloride packets, a face mask, the little tip that you can just insert into your mouth. Here's what it looks like up close, and it's really simple to use. Fill the solution into the top, and then put the cover on, turn it on, and you are in business. This thing is a game changer. It's simple, cool mist that comes out and easy to use. You can use it on an airplane. You can use it at gigs between sets, at rehearsal. So simple to use, and it makes your voice feel great. Highly recommended. MyVocalMist.com. And if you happen to be interested in more vocal tips and ideas, follow me at virtualvoice.coach, all the usual outlets.